Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Hope you are all doing well because I'm doing great here. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my easy crunchy coconut chin chin. You can make it to sell, or you can make it and keep in your house and serve to your visitors, or you can snack on it when you are feeling pecky. So join me as I do this. On the table I have my ingredients. I have my flour. I have 3 cups of flour here, which is about 500 grams. I have my butter. The butter is 2 tablespoons. Sugar, egg, coconut milk, coconut shaft. Then I have my coconut flavor, baking powder, salt, and my nutmeg. Then some water if I've been needing water. So join me as we do this. First of all, I will sieve in 3 cups of flour here. Like I always tell you, always sieve your flour because of weevil, ants, or lumps that might be in the bag of flour. If not, you spoil whatever you are doing with the flour. 3 level cups of flour I'm using. So I've sieved it in a bowl. I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Baking powder, ½ teaspoon. Coconut flavor, ½ teaspoon. Butter is 2 tablespoons. I've already measured it here. Then pinch of salt. Then the nutmeg is 1/3 of a teaspoon. Then I'll crack in the egg. I'll now work with my hand. You combine all this together. I made the coconut milk myself. I bought the coconut, cut them into small pieces. I blended the thing, then put in a cheesecloth, brought out the water, which is the coconut milk. Then I took out the shaft, which I'm going to use. But you can buy coconut milk in tin, but you won't have the shaft to use. So you can see how it's looking now, like breadcrumbs. So I'll take 2 teaspoons of the shaft, add it in the mixture, and mix. If you don't want the shaft, you can use the coconut milk alone and the coconut flavor. I'll now make a well in the middle, then pour in the coconut milk. Then combine very well. You can see it's sticky, so you allow everything to rub in. I use ½ cup of coconut milk. The milk is not going to be enough, so I'll just add in some water. You have to combine everything very well. And see, it's no longer sticky to my hand. So you need so you see how it's looking now. So I'll allow it to rest for 10 minutes before I come back to roll and cut into tiny bits. So after 10 minutes, I'm back and it has rested. So I'll roll out, then start cutting. You can see on the tray, I rubbed in some flour so that when I'm putting the cut pastry there, it doesn't stick to the tray or stick together. So I'll now add some flour on my work surface. You have to roll to be flat. You can use your knife or your pizza cutter, depends on which one is convenient for you. Me, I like using the knife because I cut faster when I'm using the knife. So I'm done cutting the first half. I'll now roll in the second half. I'm done cutting. Let's go and fry. So you can see the oil is hot now because I just dropped in some and they're already frying. So let me add the remaining. If you are frying your chin-chin, it doesn't have any time frame. Once it's golden brown, you bring them out. You fry in deep oil. When you put the pastry in, use your frying spoon to turn, so anyone that is stuck together will loosen, so you don't have too many of them that are stuck together in the oil. So they fry like this until they are golden brown, and you know they are okay. You bring them out. Before you bring them out, you put your paper towel in your sieve so you can take out the extra oil. So let's just leave it to be frying. So you can see what we have now is turning brown. They were not yet there, so I'll still leave it to keep frying. The aroma of this our crunchy coconut chin chin is blocking my nose. Voila! Please, if you are here to like this video, please keep liking, share and subscribe, please. You can see the color. They are almost there. I'll just turn a bit and I'll bring them out. Yeah, we are good to go. Hello guys, so this is our end product. See how beautiful the face of the chin chin is, and it's so crunchy. Go and try yours. If you want to make for business, you can make yours for business. You can keep yours at home to snack on. Please, if you have not liked this video, keep liking, keep sharing to watch me with more recipes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.